excellent code. Gingerly a light from the device.
This is Lori Parker's listing. We're coming up on it from the water. We're on our Keller Williams Conroe, Lake Conroe, Huntsville boat property tour here on Tuesday. It's a beautiful day on Lake Conroe. Got 5 boats out on the water. Beautiful home. Our agents are going in to take a look. Thank you, Captain. On Lake Conroe.
I'm going to try and back up on this side.
Okay.
So Ted,
there's Teresa Schad with her beautiful listing out here on Lake Conroe. Coming to take a tour by water. Okay, Teresa, tell me about your beautiful listing on waterfront Lake Conroe.
This listing is, the address is 566 French Kingston Court, and we are in the cliffs of South Shore. This house was built in 1999, has approximately 4,400 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms and then a couple of extra rooms, game room, studies. Beautiful house, has a lot of room. You'll also see that it has central vac. It has a lot of extras, granite, a lot of tile, beautiful house.
Just gorgeous, and you can see the beautiful Lake Conroe behind you with some great water in it.
Beautiful Lake Conroe. And we have a balcony also that has beautiful water views.
Thank you.